Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've here the Edifier R1700BT bookshelf speaker that I'm going to unbox and show you what's inside. So let's go ahead and open it. As you open the box, the first thing that you notice is the catalog, which includes instructions on how to use the speakers. Let me pull out these foam protections and you get the speakers. That's the speaker 1 and here's the speaker 2, and inside this you get some cables and 2 remote controls, and here's the cable that goes to the secondary speaker from the primary, and that's all you get inside the box. Let me unwrap the plastic. So here is the secondary speaker that you get a port on the back to connect with the primary speaker. And here is the primary speaker. On the side you get 3 controllers. The first one is for bass and the second one is treble and third one is for volume. And on the back here you have the power on off switch and RCA input and output, the port for connecting the secondary speaker, and here is the power cable. These speakers cost about $200. You can grab them on Amazon. On the front you have got these detachable grills. They look amazing once they are off. They are of course there for a reason, to protect the speakers from scratches or even dust. I would recommend you to have them on if you think the speakers will collect too much dust or have the tendency to get scratched. So these speakers have got this trapezoidal face. When you put them next to the computer, it looks as if they were angled to face the user. So this angled look improves the sound quality, also aesthetically looks better. Also, I love this wooden touch on the side over a plastic casing. So let me connect the cables. So this is the cable that connects the secondary speaker with the primary speaker. Next, inside this packaging you get 2 remote controls. It's really thoughtful of them to include an extra remote control here. Here's the 3.5mm jack to RCA cable that you need to use if you are to connect your computer to the speakers. So here's the RCA to RCA cable, which is probably used for TVs and DVDs. Let me connect the RCA input cable and the 3.5mm jack to my Mac Mini. So this is how it looks next to my 27-inch monitor. I absolutely love these speakers. Both the build quality and the sound quality are pretty good. So everything is connected. Let's switch it on. Let's unwrap the remote control. So the remote control is incredibly useful because it has got this option to mute the speaker, and also it has got the Bluetooth option and line in input function. So if you are to switch between Bluetooth and line in, you cannot do it on the speakers. There's no functional button on speaker, so it has to be done using the remote control. This is also a Bluetooth speaker, so you can use the remote control to switch to Bluetooth and connect your mobile phone or any other device to play music. These are some of the cool features that you will get with. And when you want to switch back to your PC, all you need to do is just press the line in button on the remote control. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please drop a comment below and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video.